In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict coupons by product fast and easy. A crucial component of managing an e-commerce platform is ensuring that your discount codes and coupons are tailored to meet your business's sales strategies and customer needs. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to restrict coupon usage by product in WordPress in a seamless and efficient way. Let's begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the left side of your screen for the Marketing tab. This section houses everything you'll need to market your products, including coupons. Click on Marketing, and you'll find yourself greeted with another menu. In this new menu, you'll see an option for coupons. Click on it. Here, all your existing coupons will be displayed. You can create new ones or edit existing ones, which is what we're doing today. Click on the Edit button next to the coupon you wish to adjust. In editing mode, your focus should now shift to the Usage Restriction tab. This is where you can set various parameters that control how and when your coupon is to be used. Begin by setting the minimum spend amount. This ensures that a customer must spend a certain amount before the coupon becomes valid. Similarly, you can also add a maximum spend amount if there's a cap on how much you're willing to discount. Now let's further tailor the coupon by selecting Individual Use Only. This option prevents customers from using multiple coupons at the same time, which can be particularly beneficial if some of your products already have discounts applied. To maintain profitability, it's also wise to exclude sale items from your coupon application. Click on Exclude Sale Items to activate this option. Next, move to the Products section where you can specify which products the coupon applies to. By adding products, you're creating a list of items eligible for the discount. Conversely, in the Exclude Products area, input any items you wish to be exempt from this coupon offer. Similarly, you may want to target specific categories or exclude certain ones. In product categories, you can choose which categories the coupon is valid for. Don't forget to use Exclude Categories if there are sections of your store where this discount shouldn't apply. Moving on, you can add restrictions based on customer details. Enter allowed email addresses under Allowed Emails for a more personalized coupon experience. Ensuring only selected customers get to use the discount. Finally, don't forget about brand-specific discounts. Under Product Brands, add any particular brands you're focusing on. Should there be any brands you want to exclude, there's an Exclude Brands section just for that purpose. Once you have carefully reviewed these restrictions, your final step is to click Update. This ensures that all the adjustments are saved and applied instantly. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully customized your coupon settings in WordPress, making sure your customers and your business both benefit.